There are many options to look through when it comes to property management software for Macs. The hard part of choosing which one to invest in is finding the one that delivers the best features at the best price. Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm Santiago with DoorLoop, best property management software for Mac. Before we get started, let me remind you that I work for DoorLoop and that I am not an attorney, so I cannot give you any legal advice or financial advice. However, there is one piece of advice that I can give you, which is to like and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. All right, that being said, let's get started. Okay, so first on the list of the best property management software for Mac is DoorLoop. DoorLoop is designed by property managers, specifically intended to be used by property managers. For this reason, it has been meticulously crafted to meet all of the expectations of any property manager. Our web-based property management software built for landlords and property managers includes automatic rent payments, tenant portal, maintenance orders, applicant screening, online applications, vacancy listings, and excellent customer service. Not to mention an easy-to-use design and much more for an affordable price. DoorLoop features include an all-in-one property management system, which includes automatic rent payments, bank reconciliations, full accounting system, and integrations with popular software such as QuickBooks. A tenant portal with automatic rent collection, tenant communications, maintenance requests, and tenant screening, where tenants can simply submit maintenance requests within the app, as well as communicate with contractors and pay maintenance fees. With DoorLoop, you can automatically list vacant units on top sites and run background checks on the tenants. One of the most important factors to consider when choosing your property management software is the price. Luckily, DoorLoop is 50% off your first 2 months. From then, you will only be billed $49 per month for up to 20 properties. So try DoorLoop today. There's a link right there in the description. Another solid option for property management software that can be used on a Mac is Rentec Direct. This software is a solid solution that offers a robust set of features. Some of the most notable features that users report are work order management, tenant screening, and a mobile app. However, many users report that the user interface is very outdated and slow. Some of Rentec Direct features include robust reporting, maintenance management, tenant portal, and a mobile app. Some users report that the most basic plans are very limiting and do not provide for as many units. Rentec Direct's basic plan comes in at $35 per month for up to 10 units, $55 for 50 units, and up to $450 for 500 units. Next up on the list of the best property management software for Mac is Propertyware. This option offers a solid set of accounting features, including in-depth reporting and automatic rent payments. Although it can be used with any amount of properties, its accounting suite is mostly designed for portfolios with more than 250 properties. If you have less than that, you will be paying a lot of money for the same suite of features. Propertyware features include an accounting suite, online rent payments, maintenance management, and tenant communications. Propertyware's pricing is a little different than the other pricing models shown in this video. The amount per unit is only $1, but there's a $250 minimum. In other words, if you have less than 250 units, you will still be paying the $250 minimum. Another great property management software for Mac users is SimplifyEM. SimplifyEM is a great option, especially for property managers who are more concerned with an accounting suite for managing their properties. Similar to other software, this property management solution makes tracking and collecting rent very easy. One very positive aspect of this software is that they offer a free trial. This free trial allows users to test out the bulk of the software before deciding if it is a good investment or not. SimplifyEM features include accounting, QuickBooks integration, payment reminders, and automated rent payments. As mentioned before, this software offers a free trial to their users who want to test out the software. If you decide to go forward with their paid plan, they start just at $20 per month. This makes it one of the more affordable options on this list. However, it only covers up to 10 units. Next on the list of great property management software for Mac is Condo Control. Although this software is designed more for condo property management, it is still a solid choice for all-around property managers. Condo Control is a property management software that is designed for condo and co-ops communities. This software is also useful if you're managing properties that form part of an HOA. Apart from these features, there are also many features that are meant for general property management as well. Condo Control features include payment processing, tracking violations, community management tools, security, and concierge features. Condo Control offers a range of pricing tiers, each one supporting a different amount of units. Although the prices are not publicly listed, you can actually contact their sales team directly in order to find out more information. So let's wrap it up. Whether you choose a software mentioned in this video or perhaps you find another one on your own, it is important to make sure that it is the right decision. One of the most important things to consider is your business needs, as well as your personal needs. Since every business is different, you must find the software that works best for your business. If you're just looking for a software that can be used for a wide variety of properties and businesses, then an all-in-one software will probably work best for you. Want the best all-in-one property management software for Mac? Great. Visit DoorLoop to start a free demo. There's a link right there in the description. And if you want to get access to a lot more videos, such as how to send a new property manager introduction letter, or the top 10 most important landlord-tenant laws to always remember, make sure that you subscribe to this channel, like this video, share it with your friends and your team, and as always, thanks for watching.